Today's probably the first video I've made in 6 months, like a video about like vlogging type style video. And we are going camping this weekend for Labor Day. Saturday, gonna camp till Sunday morning and getting all packed up. So we've got all the food made, prepped, everybody's getting ready, and then we're gonna head out. Still gotta get everything ready. I got some stuff in the truck, gotta move around. Well, almost got everything. Got the wood packed down here. Got some pallets up under here. I'm gonna stack those by the water so that we can put this on plywood on top and have a place to stand while we fish, because it's really grown up. Got the weed eater, shovels, some cutting tools. Gonna put the coolers and stuff back there in case we're gonna need to dig something out of our campsite so we can clear it, make it smooth.
Jelly's here again.
Jelly's here again, of course. And I don't know if I need that pole saw thing. Do you think I need that high pole saw? Oh, fishing poles. We need fishing poles, right? Yeah, I think we're finally packed up. We got quite a bit. This whole thing is full. Carolyn's little spot right there. And we got the back. Pretty full of stuff. So off we go on our one-day adventure. It's only one day. We have arrived in Athens. Carolyn placed an order at Chick-fil-A, and this place is crazy. There's people backed up down the street.
Llama car.
This is our first carry-out or take-out experience eating anywhere since the pandemic started. Right?
Yeah, it is. First.
Done any carry-out, take-out
Since March.
Since March.
And it's September. Been a weird year. Got everything kind of weed-eated around here. Carolyn's been working on the fire pit area and the tent area, and River's got the hammock up and relaxing. You relaxing now?
Yes.
Yeah. It's our campsite. There's a bunch of wood we're gonna use, and then the lakes down there. So Carolyn's working hard. Carolyn likes her fires. Might be I think something bit me. I think it might be a big one here. There's all this pine straw.
See it. I did not see it being started.
Oh, really? Smoking the woods up. Look at that. That's cool looking.
Oh yeah, you can see the spider web. The ashes are laying on the spider web. What's sweetie?
Yeah, I told David to come here. No, do not take your eyes off that.
Nice.
Pretty cool. Carolyn's finally getting a rest.
Have I been working hard?
You have.
I have a headache. I need a drink.
I'm sure you haven't had enough water probably. Building that fire. Got the tent set up now. Over there. We're gonna move this table because of the smoke, you can see. Gonna move that here.
Oh yeah.
And River's chilling on the iPad. We went out and threw a line in the water for a little while, and the plywood out there helps quite a bit create a level surface to stand without water on your feet. And didn't have any bites though.
We're gonna get some more later.
Yeah. It's the hottest part of the day, I guess, so now it's not the best time to fish, but wanted to try it out. It's good and open, pretty open for casting. Yay. Well, we had dinner, and now everybody's having s'mores. Look at River's all popping out. Double marshmallow. Golly. Insane. Yeah, came by.
Oh,
you don't have to You don't have to hold it. I'm just gonna take a video. Yeah, River just got that. Nice, River. Good job.
Please do not flinch on me.
Good job. How'd it pull? So.
Yeah, it was.
Less than the one that broke the line a little while ago.
Yes, that one was giant.
Girls are setting everything up.
Huh? Oh, she's talking to the camera. I got one, but then it let go.
Ah, okay.
It was just small one though.
That's fun though.
I've gotten a couple nibbles.
Nice. We gotta be quiet. So calm. It's early morning and River's at it fishing. She already got one big bite, I think.
But
And,
I got one. I got a bite this morning, but it let go. So
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
Good cast. Well, she's getting the hang of the casting. Carolyn's got the fire started over there. Probably can't see it. And there's like a nice little fog on the lake. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Really flaky.
Mommy fried it up in the campfire pan. Now she's fixing a spot for the bacon. It's a lot of management. We don't have our grill cover thing yet. So it takes a lot of effort to arrange everything.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Here, you want to sit here, River? You probably have to move the smoke coming towards you.
Don't drop your thing though.
Here, I'll move your chair. Tell me where you want me to put it over here. Where? Yeah. Okay.
I'm closer there.